I know toilet paper has been hard to find, but please know, flushing alternative products instead of toilet paper is a bad idea. Remember, no wipes down the pipes. We manage more than 1 billion gallons of wastewater every day. We know what we're talking about when it comes to drainage and pipes. Everything that goes down the pipes of your house or business comes to the MWRD to be cleaned. We want to help ensure that your pipes don't get clogged and can drain that dirty water away from your house. Treating your toilet like a trash can could clog the plumbing inside your home or cause blockages in your neighborhood sewer. Clogs can cause sewer backups and expensive property damage. Basement backups can also make you sick. Please do not flush anything other than toilet paper to avoid potential plumbing problems. I'll quickly show you what happens to various products that people have been flushing instead of toilet paper. Here we have facial tissue. It's kind of like toilet paper, but it's not. Throw it in the trash can because it's not flushable. And here's a sheet of paper towel. This is meant to absorb water without falling apart. It's durable and will not break down in pipes. And it could quickly cause blockages in your pipes. It's not flushable. Now this is a so-called flushable wipe. These wipes are similar to paper towels. It will not break apart and it's not flushable. And now we have disinfectant wipes. We're using them to clean our house a lot nowadays. These are designed to be sturdy and not fall apart while you use them. So guess what? They're not flushable. Now one more item I've been hearing about is fabric and cut up t-shirts. Here's some toilet paper. As you can see, the toilet paper is slightly dissolving and breaking apart as intended. This makes it easier for it to flow through small pipes without getting stuck. Toilet paper is the only product designed to safely move through your home's pipes without causing any major problems. Please don't flush anything else. Remember, no wipes down the pipes.